I'm Danny at Classic Performance Products. I want to take a moment and quickly kind of go over our Hub Style Spindle Kits that we offer. We have really two families. We have our X10 family, which is primarily all of the truck applications, and then we have our CS style, which is based on the Corvette C7 style Corvette hub bearing assembly, and it covers really all of our car applications, including the Mustang II, which is a little bit of car and truck. The Mustang II is pretty unique. I have one up here. The way the kit's going to come is got a spacer that goes under the rotor, and it's under the rotor so that it can't get lost if you're taking your car to a tire shop. Then there's another spacer that might go behind the bearing if you need to push the wheel back out a little bit more. Then there's spacers that are going to move the caliper. You can stack a pair of these on one side or split them so they're on each side, or two on the back, and that's going to move the caliper around to follow your wheel offset. The end is that this setup is going to have three different positions you can put your wheel. You can be at your traditional Mustang II track width. You can bring it in 1/4 inch with just taking off the one spacer, or you can bring it in 1/2 inch if you remove both the spacers. So you got three mounting positions for track width. At the same time, these are available on really every bolt pattern for 5-lug cars and 5-lug trucks, and for your 6-lug trucks. Typical 5-lug application is going to come like this. You get your 12-point bolts that you thread in. You pick the bolt pattern, whether you want car or truck or the 6-lug stuff. It's a really good, strong, easy way to put that together. On the other side, we have our X10 family, which is really a really big bearing. It's actually based on a truck bearing. You can see this one has got ABS on it, a speed sensor on it. That's to work with the 8898 ABS system. And these spindles are available for the 8898s. We have spindles that cover the C10s, and we're showing you here our spindles for the Ford F100. So this will be a twin I-beam style kingpin suspension spindle. So it's a 2.5-inch drop. It comes complete. The bushings are already pre-installed into the spindles, and it comes with the kingpin and all the hardware to set up the kingpin front end. These are going to run 13-inch brakes or 14-inch brakes across the board for all of these things. I can tell you from personal experience, having assembled these and the traditional style of bearing, these are much easier, so much cleaner. You're not packing wheel bearings with grease. You're not trying to adjust bearing preload. You're not trying to hammer in a seal and not get it kinked or they're dented. This stuff just bolts in. 3 bolts on the hub for either application. Then the caliper bolts are really straightforward. It is one of the easiest installations you're ever going to come across. To find out more information about these or other products, you can find us on the web at www.classicperform.com, or give us a call at 714-522-2000.